Hello, in this video I will show you how to unlock FPS on Roblox. This is an easy tutorial video, so make sure to watch to the very end so you won't make any mistakes along the way. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open up the search bar and type Roblox. Then, right-click on it and select Open File Location. Once there, right-click on Roblox Player and select Open File Location. Then here, right-click and create New Folder and name it Client Settings. Now enter the folder. Now right-click here and select a text. And here, change the name to Client App Settings.txt. Now, double-click on it. And here, write the following. Now, go to File, Save As, and type .json. Click Save. Now, exit out of that window, and you can delete the txt document. And now, when you enter a Roblox game, you should get over 60 FPS. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and thank you for watching.